Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share location on BeReal application. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and download BeReal application if you don't have it on your phone. If you do, just go, of course, log in maybe, or do whatever you want. But if you don't have it, go download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you'd like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that. Log in into your account and let's just get straight to it. Sorry. So here, let me just go launch here my application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this steps of this tutorial. So after actually launching your application, that actually will be your home screen. And here you can, of course, post the one post of the day to be able to see the discovery or your friend's BeReal. So if you want to actually share location, let me just first delete this if I can. Let me see if I'm gonna be able to, because I already have, or I can delete the BeReal like just once in a day, of course. So let me just delete my BeReal. So of course, if I want to see or share location, when I click at post a BeReal, as you can see here, you should of course enable the location. So for a better experience, turn on device location, which uses Google location service. So you have to click OK, make sure to click OK. Then you'd like to take your BeReal here. Of course, it will take one picture of the front camera and one picture with the back camera at the same time. So then click at the flash here, at the blue flash here. So after clicking on that, as you can see here, you have an option called share my position, and of course if you click at that, it will show on blue. That means you're actually shared your location, and if you don't want to, you can just remove it and it will show like that on white. So that will be actually for the video. Of course, you would like now just to share it or send it on your profile just by clicking at the share icon or the send icon at the bottom left corner or right corner. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.